see the seed on it? Yeah, man. Look there, man. This is it. People, you might hear some language in the background. Sorry for that, but you know it go already. We are sorry for this. Look at that. That the boat on the main road. Look at the house over there. See that shop. Right around. This is seawater. This is sea. So these people have to be careful. Gee, look at this. Look at this.
Don't listen to them,
I see water.
This is the sea water. Look at that house over there. So.
Rose and skirt, can't believe this. This. Eh? Oh, that one here, pressure net. Alright, thank you. Let's look at it. Hey! Rain come again. Breeze a blow again, people. Umbrella mash up now, people. Umbrella mash up now. Umbrella mash up.
Is my head really that shape?
Umbrella mash up. Look at that. Look at that. This is mere road and the sea water. Oh my. I want to go on this, man. I want to go on this up. No, sir. Wait for no one. See the lane there, look at this up. See, take over the whole of the road. And this is Duane Pen. What's that name? Logan Lane. Oh, by Duane Pen. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. All the dogs afraid to cross it. See them there in the boat. Umbrella mash up. Hey, may I go back because the rain have come back. Yes. Alright, so people, this is. Where go there? No man, take him up, man. Go take him up, man. Somebody save him. Alright, so I'll leave this place now because we don't want to get stuck over here, so that's what I want. Duane Pen, Logan's Lane right now. Big things are going on here, so people. Look here, so I see water already. And what else? Minutes to 9 right now, this BERYL. Eh? Listen. Can't send me? I send him to me now. Oh. I said we carry it before it start come back because we may cross some more place here. No man, it still not come yet. It will come about, to start about 10 o'clock them say when it start for some. About 10 o'clock might start for some good effect. Yeah, so. Good people now, boy! Yeah, okay. It will up? What's my work?